Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. Merry Christmas. On today's video, this is a collaboration with Rena from Pretty Things Home Decor, and she asked us to do a bathroom vignette, and the theme is for Christmas. And this is my before, and I'm going to decorate my bathroom shelf. Thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, this sign I have, Joy to the World, I bought from Aldi's last year Black Friday sale, and I didn't use it. So I'm decided to put it in my bathroom on the top shelf. And as you see, I already started decorating. I have these red candles that I did not use at all. Got them from Michael's last year, Black Friday sale. Guys, I'm going to just use what I have to decorate my bathroom and using these black hand towels. And for my vignette, I am going to use my gold tray from Home Goods. Friends, I apologize for any noise you hear. I am editing, sitting in my car on my phone, waiting on the Christmas parade. So Renee, this is for you. I had to jump in because I told you I was going to try my best to get into this. So friends, what I did here, I just decorated my shelf in my bathroom. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And any place that you decorated your home, I pray that y'all do your best. God bless you. Love you from Penny. And please tell me what you think.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink